How to fix Facebook update not received problem on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you and share with you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open settings of your phone and you will go directly to apps, and on apps you will scroll down and you will open Facebook applications. Then you will go to storage. Then on storage, go to clear data like this and click OK, and that's it. Your problem is solved. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, also to subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.